Hebrews 13:5. Let your conversation be without covetousness, and be content with such things as ye have. For he hath said, I will never leave thee, nor forsake thee. True contentment comes not from accumulating more, but from appreciating and making the most of what you already have. Thank God for all your blessings, big or small. And no matter where life leads, you can rest assured that God will always be with you. His promise to never leave you or forsake you is a constant reminder that you're supported, no matter the circumstances or storms of life.